Welcome to Next Bright English. Let's talk, learn, and have fun with English. This is your chance to speak out and grow, 1 minute at a time. Today's speech topic is my favorite movie. Let's listen to the full 1-minute speech first. My favorite movie is Spirited Away. It's a Japanese animated film by Studio Ghibli. I first watched it when I was 10, and I've loved it ever since. The story is about a girl named Chihiro. She enters a strange world full of gods and spirits. At first, she's scared, but she becomes brave to save her parents. I love how she grows stronger, step by step. The music and animation are beautiful. Every time I watch it, I find something new. I also like the message, don't give up, even when things are hard. This movie gives me hope and courage. It reminds me to stay strong and believe in myself. That's why Spirited Away is my favorite movie. Learn more. Let's go through the speech in sections and talk about the key expressions and writing tips in each part. My favorite movie is Spirited Away. This is the title of my speech and also my favorite movie. It's good to start with something simple and clear. It's a Japanese animated film by Studio Ghibli. I gave some basic information about the movie. This helps people understand what kind of movie it is. I first watched it when I was 10, and I've loved it ever since. I shared my personal memory. The phrase "I've loved it ever since" shows that my feelings started in the past and continue now. The story is about a girl named Chihiro. I begin to explain the story in one sentence. This keeps it simple and easy to follow. She enters a strange world full of gods and spirits. This gives a little more detail to make the story interesting. At first, she's scared, but she becomes brave to save her parents. I show how the character changes. This makes the story more emotional. I love how she grows stronger, step by step. The phrase step by step means slowly and little by little. You can also say bit by bit or one step at a time. The music and animation are beautiful. Here, I talk about what I like in the movie. It's good to give reasons why you like it. Every time I watch it, I find something new. This shows that I enjoy watching it again and again. I also like the message, don't give up, even when things are hard. Quoting a message from the movie makes the speech stronger. It also shows what I learned from the story. This movie gives me hope and courage. Now I explain how the movie makes me feel. It reminds me to stay strong and believe in myself. Feelings are important in a speech. Try to say how something affects you personally. That's why Spirited Away is my favorite movie. I finish by connecting my feelings back to the title. Let's review. Let's go over some key points to help you write your own speech. 1. Start with your personal experience. 2. Summarize the story, but don't explain too much. 3. Explain what you like and why. 4. Use simple, emotional words to connect with your audience. 5. Share how it makes you feel. 6. Use expressions like step by step, bit by bit, or little by little. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite movie? And why do you like it? Subscribe now and make English your next bright step. Thanks for joining us at Next Bright English. See you next time.